Welcome to our channel. Today, we bring you how to make money online from blogging. We'll be honest, making money through blogging isn't easy, but the best part is that anyone can do it, and it will look fantastic on your resume. All you need is something interesting to say and enough patience and dedication to build traffic and a following. So how do successful bloggers, on the other hand, make money? We spoke to a few of them to learn more about how they make money. Our guide lays out a step-by-step plan to get your blog up and running and turn it into a profitable home business. How to increase your blog traffic. The big question is, where are all the readers now that you've built your website, come up with a killer blog topic, and published your first post? You can't expect people to find your blog and start reading it on their own. You must publicize it. Here are the best and simplest ways to increase your blog readership. 1. Promote your blog on social media. If you don't have social media accounts, you will not get noticed, just like any other business nowadays. We recommend creating Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and even LinkedIn pages or accounts for your blog. You're essentially your own business, right? Design the accounts to match your blog's color scheme or theme so that your brand is consistent and easy to recognize. Use them to promote new posts and tag other bloggers, influencers, and businesses who may be willing to share your content and help it reach a wider audience. You could also try paid advertising to help your blog reach a larger audience or hold a contest to increase the number of likes. Keep your followers interested by posting regularly once you've gained a following, not just for new blog posts. 2. Connect with other bloggers. Make yourself known to other bloggers who cover similar subjects. Even though you're technically a competitor, you'll be pleasantly surprised by the blogger community's willingness to help. Many bloggers have a links page on their site where they link to many of their friends in the community in exchange for a link on your blog. This will significantly improve your SEO, search engine optimization, or how likely your blog will appear in a Google search. If you interact with other bloggers and share their content, they'll most likely reciprocate. You could even collaborate. 3. Create viral content. Viral content will help you reach a new audience and, as a result, increase your readership. Of course, this may be easier said than done. Still, the key to creating viral content is to tap into content that is controversial or widely discussed in your niche blog field. As you can imagine, this frequently involves newsjacking, as mentioned above. In addition, because this is your niche, you'll be passionate, knowledgeable, and opinionated about it, allowing you to post an opinion that people want to read, share, and discuss. How to make money from your blog. You can, finally, start looking into ways to make money from your blog once it's up and running. These are the best and simplest ways for a blogger to earn money. 1. Use affiliate marketing on your blog. Affiliate marketing works by incorporating tracked affiliate links into your blog's text. Every time a reader clicks through to the site you recommend and makes a purchase, you can earn a small commission. The links will take readers to a brand's website, and the money you'll get is a thank you for sending some of your lovely readers there. Almost every online e-commerce website, such as Amazon, Topshop, ASOS, and Apple, has an affiliate program of some sort. Join Affiliate Window, a massive affiliate network that allows you to promote thousands of well-known brands and services from all over the world. When it comes to affiliate marketing, the key is to be genuine and authentic. Write honest reviews and articles, and only encourage your readers to purchase something if you believe it is a good product or service for them. 2. Add banner adverts to your website. You can sell banner advertising space on your blog page to brands that relate to your readers as a more visual advertising method. Advertisements can be found in various places, but they're most commonly found at the top of blog pages or in the sidebar. You have 2 options for earning money. CPC, cost per click, means you'll be paid a set amount for each reader who clicks on the ad, whereas CPM, cost per thousand, means you'll be paid a set amount for every 1,000 ad impressions. The CPC and CPM can be low due to the growth of ad blocker plugins, but this depends on your industry, and there's no harm in trying them out. 3. Write advertorials and sponsored content. According to the bloggers we spoke to, one of the best ways to monetize a blog is to offer sponsored content opportunities, or advertorials. These are essentially paid advertisements in the form of articles or blog posts. If Adidas, for example, releases a new swimwear line and you're running a women's sportswear blog, they may offer to pay you to write an article about it. On top of that, you might be able to add some affiliate links. When you have a strong niche audience, this monetization method usually works best. Brands will frequently approach you to discuss sponsored posts once your readership has grown. 4. Charge for sponsored social media posts. You'll be very appealing to brands if you have a solid social media presence. Sponsored posts on social media are how some people make their entire blogging income. You have the option of charging per post or repost, and the fees can be pretty high. You'll have to work hard on growing your following first. Brands look at your social proof, or how many people follow you on social media, as proof that readers will enjoy what you post about them as well. 5. Write guest blog posts for media outlets. If you're an authority on a particular topic, members of the press, or even brands with their blogs, may approach you and ask you to make a cameo appearance on their website. For example, if you're an expert on budget cooking, a newspaper might contract you and ask you to contribute some budget-friendly recipes to their cooking magazine. Don't be afraid to pitch ideas to publications. If editors are unfamiliar with you, a quick email introduction is a great way to get your blog's name out there. 6. Work with an agency to build your blog. Believe it or not, blogging has grown in popularity in the advertising world to a point where agencies are dedicated solely to connecting bloggers with major brands. Working with an agency can be highly lucrative and secure, but you'll need to have a sizable following to be picked up in the first place. Furthermore, because agency fees are so high, only the most prominent brands will afford to work with you, while smaller, independent businesses will be scared away. Depending on the type of blogging business you want to start, this may or may not benefit you. For example, in the case of ethical fashion blogging, agency fees may prevent you from working with the small independent designers you want to promote. 7. Sell digital products on your blog. Another option is to charge a fee for access to ebooks, video tutorials, courses, or workshops if you have skills or advice to offer. To make this option work, you must demonstrate that you are an expert in your field or that your content has proven to be extremely valuable. This isn't going to be easy. It can be challenging to persuade online communities to pay up because many people believe that everything should be accessible on the internet. But it's worth a shot. 8. Sell your blog's newsletter space. It is also possible to charge a company for ad space or a mention in your weekly or monthly newsletter if you have one. It will take very little time to complete, and you may be able to get a reasonable price for it. For brands considering you, you'll need to build up a sizable mailing list. 9. Get employers' attention as a blogger. Another, albeit indirect, way to make more money with your blog is to use it to promote your own business or even find a job. For example, if you're one of the many students who sell stuff online, your blog is the ideal place to promote it, though don't go overboard or you'll turn off readers. You can also use your blog as an online profile, where you can establish your credibility, demonstrate your skills, and hopefully land a good job. Consider it this way: your blog is essentially your own small business. Presenting to potential employers that you can do it successfully demonstrates that you have an entrepreneurial mindset and know how to succeed. That's it for how to make money online from blogging. If you liked our video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos.